So why do we do the workshop? It's part of the development offering of the IG program, but more importantly, it's an opportunity to get an incredibly diverse group of young, talented people back together again and reignite their passion for the bank and allow them to get some personal and professional development so that they could be better at work.
I think the most memorable aspect of this workshop for me was discovery of myself and how I act in different teams and also as part of large groups. So if you're looking for an aha moment, I found many of those.
The kind of thing that the psychologist is talking about, I personally feel that they are useful. Focusing more on strengths and very less on weaknesses, or having a solution-focused approach rather than a problem-focused approach, and will certainly make a difference.
I think it's really about how they are able to conceptualize ideas better and effectively apply in our lives.
For example, if it's in the office, it might be how you can become a better team player or perhaps a team leader in the future. And even outside of work, it's a lot about finding a solution to a happier life.
I think this is an opportunity for us to also pull together extra strengths, pull together other resources from our people, see what other people have learned, see what's the best use of these talents we have, and see what impact we can take back to our countries to give. And I think there is nothing else that's more important than this.
They are a true representation of what it means to be a diverse organization. Practical application of the workshop is problem solving. So one of the things that we're giving the IGs is the opportunity to explore their issues and to think about ways and tools to get back to the desk and work through those challenges. So I think a measure of the success of the program is at the end of the third day, people wanted more. They were asking more questions, they were still curious, and I think a level of that success is evident that they were still intrigued. What I get most out of the workshop is being reinvigorated by such different perspectives and looking out at the audience and really seeing what the bank is in the faces that are sitting in the audience is really powerful to be able to have that opportunity.